Sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. Go to youtube.com and click on the Create a Channel button, located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Choose a name for your channel. This can be your real name or a username that you prefer. Add a profile picture and channel art. Your profile picture should be a square image that represents you or your brand. Your channel art should be a banner image that appears at the top of your channel page. Customize your channel. You can add a description of your channel, links to your social media accounts, and other information that viewers might find interesting. Create your first video. Once your channel is set up, you can start creating content that will appear on your channel. You can record videos using a smartphone or camera, or use editing software to create more professional-looking videos. Upload your video to YouTube. To do this, click on the Upload button in the top right-hand corner of the screen, select your video file, and add a title, description, and tags. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and use keywords and tags to help viewers find your content. With these steps, you should be able to create your own YouTube channel and start sharing your content with the world.